Peter. Hi. You can come say hi to me? Come say hi. Come here. Hi. Oh, you got a little distracted. Oh, that's a good thing. That is a tasty thing. Yeah. Oh, slip. Ooh, blocks. Hi. You come over here. Hi. Over here. Yeah. Good job. Oh, you're almost here. You're almost here. That's right. Good job. That's it. That's it. You got it. You got it. And up he goes. Yay! Yay, Peter. Yeah. He's like, I'm getting out of this joint. And I'm going to figure out how to open it pretty soon, aren't you? Good job, Peter. Yeah. Yay.